Hi there. The topic today is stem cell therapy for erectile dysfunction in Arizona. What does the latest research show? Can stem cell therapy for ED help the analogous down banana move to an upward banana? And the answer is an unequivocal yes. The latest research looked at 9 studies with 164 combined patients in a peer-reviewed urology journal. And these were individuals who had erectile dysfunction from either a vascular problem, like diabetes, obesity, or whatnot, or a neuro problem, like they had a prostate resection and some nerves were cut. You know, we see it all when patients come into our providers. What they looked at was results from 6 months to a year outcome. They looked at the IIEF, which is the International Index of Erectile Function, and all that is asking people, can you get an erection and can you maintain it through intercourse? A lot of the people that come into our providers, the medications aren't working anymore. Even the injections that they do right before intercourse, A, it's a hassle, and B, a lot of times they don't help. All right, so it gets pretty severe. We know that 50% of people get ED by the age of 50, 60% by 60, 70% by 70, 80% by the age of 80. It's very common. It's also an uncomfortable topic to discuss, but it's something that men care about, obviously, very much. We can help. This study's outcome prove it. In all 9 of these studies, this ability to get an erection and maintain it, all of them showed statistically significant increases in those scores. The participants were very happy with the results. Also, in about half of these studies, they also looked at length and girth. And those all showed a statistically significant increase in the girth and the length of the penis, okay? So it was very satisfactory from that aspect as well. R3 Stem Cell, we're headquartered right here in the Phoenix metro area. Patients come to see us from all over the state and surrounding region for problems like this and for many others. So visit us online at r3stemcell.com. Call us to set up your free consultation at +1 844 GET STEM or email us info@r3stemcell.com. On our YouTube channel, we have over 1,300 educational videos and patient success stories. All right? We look forward to hearing from you and helping you with your ED.